Hi! In front of me is Oppo A77 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your device's keyboard. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to access additional settings. Now tap on Keyboard and Input Method. Select Manage Keyboards and Gboard. Finally, tap on Theme section and scroll down. Over here, you can click on Show More at the bottom right corners to see all available themes. Now just click on the best one for you. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, the theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going back to the same settings, but this time selecting this plus icon under my themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then hit Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage key borders and hit Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!